Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to attach it here with a little water, like a Garrett frill. So I flip it over, a little bit of water. Whoops. I was going to do it the other way. Well, I can still do it the other way.
You do?
I'm actually going to attach it upside down. Upside down, okay?
Snap your root ball out your way.
And the idea is that it is supposed to, I'm doing it right at the base of the cake, and it is supposed to come over like that and be a ruffle, okay? And then what you do, so that you end up with the ruffled collar, is you're going to do little pieces to get it to puff up. See? And it's not even, just like that. Simple, simple. Okay, and there should be another thing of super green in there. I'm going to need it. What I'm going to do is just dust it, because I forgot to do it ahead of time. Silly me. That's okay. The masks are going to go on there. And it's nice because the excess dust that I got on there comes off really easily, so you're not going to worry about being a little messy. So the extra dust just comes right off. Boom, it's gone. Okay. So we got
You're
green.
really wondering if I'm from there.
I'm just
Green on there.
Just hanging with my peeps.
Okay, we've got the ruffle, though you can't really see it because it's drying. Dry, dry, dry. All right.
That's beautiful.
Things are a little. There we go. Okay, so let's get our masks and our top. Well, I guess we're going to try the top. We're going to give it a shot, huh? And our masks. Okay, the way the masks have to go on is they're going to be put on with skewers. Now, when you get with the second one, you got to figure.
About a third of the way around.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, one more.
I'm not cool on orange.
Okay, so there are the masks on it. Okay. Now the hard part. Is it going to tear it apart or not? We got to decide. Is it? And obviously these will have to come. These will have to come out, when it's dry. Actually, some of them are kind of already ready. The general idea.